In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with ETrade. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can reach support quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official ETrade website. Take a second to make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection in the address bar. This helps keep your account and personal information safe. Next, log into your account. Sign in as you normally would and complete any security prompts you're asked for. Being logged in ensures the chat team can view the right details and provide personalized help, and in many cases, it's required before chat becomes available. Once you're in, navigate to the Help or Contact Us area. This is typically found in the top navigation menu or at the very bottom of the page in the site's footer. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down. Most support links are placed near the bottom. Now, look for the chat entry point. There are two common places it appears. The first is a small chat icon in the bottom corner of the page, often appearing as a speech bubble or a button labeled Chat. If you see it, click it to open the chat window. If you don't see a floating icon, go to the Contact Us page and look for a chat option there. It may be labeled Contact Us, then Chat, and once you select it, a chat panel will open right on the site. If the chat option doesn't appear, it could be due to browser pop-up settings, ad blockers, or chat availability hours. Try refreshing the page, temporarily disabling strict blockers for the site, or checking the Contact Us page again. Also, make sure you remain logged in, as chat often only shows for authenticated users. When the chat window opens, you may be prompted to pick a topic or enter a brief description. Keep your request clear and concise so you're routed to the right resource faster. Avoid sharing full account numbers or other sensitive details in the message box. The representative can securely verify what's needed once you're connected. During the conversation, you can usually download or email a transcript for your records. Look for that option in the chat window. If the chat disconnects, return to the Help or Contact Us page and reopen the chat to continue. That's it. Go to the ETrade website, log in, head to Help or Contact Us, and use the chat icon or the Contact Us to chat path. With these steps, you'll be chatting with support in no time.